In this lecture, let's see 3 different options that can be used to animate the hiding and showing of the date picker. So by default, some kind of animation is happening when the date picker is displayed or gets hidden. It is actually the show and hide animation, and we can actually change the way the date picker is displayed and hidden using some options. So in this lecture, we are going to see 3 different options, and they are duration, show anim, that is SHOWANIM, and show options. So first let's see the duration option. It is the duration in which the date picker is displayed or gets hidden. So it should be a number in milliseconds. So let me specify 5000, which means 5 seconds. Let me refresh, click. See, it takes 5 seconds to get displayed. Let me select a date and see, it takes again 5 seconds to get hidden. Now the other one is show anim and show options. So by default, the animation effect used in case of a date picker is show and hide. So if I want to use some other animation, I can specify it using show anim option, and I can specify an effect offered by jQueryUI. So you could find the different effects at api.jQueryui.com/category/effects, and these are different effects offered by jQueryUI. Suppose I want to specify explode. So here I can specify explode. Okay, and let me reduce the time to 3 seconds, and let's see the change. Refresh, let me click. See, it gets exploded and displayed. Suppose I select 19th. Again, it took 3 seconds and the effect is explode. Suppose I specify fold as the option. Let's see how the animation changes the display and hiding. So let me refresh, click. See, it is displayed using some fold effect, and if I click outside, see, it is folded and gets hidden. Now these are the 2 options we have discussed, right? Let me change it back to explode itself and see the change. Refresh, let me click. See, there are 9 pieces coming together and it gets displayed. Again, 9 pieces are going out, right? So if I want to change that, if I go to the jQueryUI effects, if I click explode, you could see that the number of pieces is 9 by default. That is why there were 9 pieces when we saw the explode effect. Suppose I want to change this. What should I do? I can use the show options option here. So the show options can be used to change the default behavior of the specified animation. So let me put a comma, and the name of the option is show options, and I have to specify pieces to be 16, right? So here I can specify pieces to be 16. So by default it is 9 and we want to make it 16. So let me refresh, click. See, there are 16 pieces now, right? Again, 16 pieces got hidden. Similarly, if I try some other effect, suppose I want to use shake effect, okay, and for that you can specify how many times the shaking should happen. So default is 3, okay. So suppose I change the effect to shake and times to 5. So let's see the effect. Refresh, click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it stopped. Again, if I click here, see, it happens in 5 shakes. If I reduce this to 2, let's see, refresh, click, see, it happens slowly and stopped. So here we have specified duration as well, that is why it happened slowly. Suppose we want no animation to happen, what you can do is you can just specify an empty string as the value of show anim. And let me remove this Okay, now let's see. Save, refresh. Let me click. See, it happened without any effect. So by default, the value of show anim is show. So if you want no animation to happen while displaying or hiding the Datepicker widget, you can set the value of show anim to be an empty string. So in this lecture, we have seen 3 different options. They are duration, show anim, and show options. Duration is the time in which the animation should be completed or the Datepicker should be displayed or hidden. Show anim is the name of the effect, and show options can be used to change the default options of the particular effect.